This ring was a nightmare to make. Let me show you how I made this ring and how I make all my jewelry. From my idea to a fully made piece. It all started like this. I was at work and I got a text from a friend. He asked me if I could make this simple ring for him in 2 weeks. I agreed on the spot without looking at references. That was my first mistake. And these are the reference photos that I got. Now I don't know about you, but to me, this is far from simple. And I've got 2 weeks to make this ring? Should be easy money, right? I still have to work my day job for 8 hours. Sit in Los Angeles traffic for another hour. And then I have to come up with multiple design ideas for this simple ring. And this last out is the one we want. I make a better sketch and we're off to make the 3D model. I have no time to waste, so I sculpt each face and I carve out each nook and groove. I spent 25 hours making every single little detail perfect. I basically spent 1 week designing the ring. What do you think of the design? Anyway, now I'm short on time. I only have 1 week to complete the rest of the ring. That's the hard part. Then I render out the 3D model. This way, my client knows what the ring will look like in real life. He approves of the design, and now we can get the ring made for real. I take the 3D file and print it. Once printed, I make a mold of it, and we can get that made in any metal. In this case, we'll be making the ring out of silver. Here is a quick rundown of the process. With the 3D printed wax, we make a mold. We then pour silver onto the mold, and then break the mold, and we're left with the ring. Here is a quick visual of what that looks like. And this is the result. A ring that is in desperate need of cleanup. We are running short on time, but I must push through. There are only a couple days left. Beneath the excess plaster is pure silver. The plaster is what gives the ring a white look. Now we have to remove any excess and polish up the silver. We start by using files and sanding tools. Then move up to polish. For a ring with this much detail, this process will take about 2 hours. Once that's done, I'll polish the ring. Now polished and cleaned, I will dip the ring in sulfur. The sulfur will turn the ring black. This will give the ring an antique and worn look. Now I go back and polish up certain areas. I highlight the edges and other important details such as faces and other crevices to highlight. And this is the result. A beautiful ring with an insane amount of detail. All done with only 1 day to spare. If you liked the video, subscribe for more. And to see more, click here or here.